Hello friends, this is Swastik here again back with daily market update. Before starting, I would like to request you to kindly subscribe my channel. If you search Swastik Upadhyay in Google, in YouTube, sorry, you will get it. I've been updating the regularly market updates for last few days now, and I am also planning to come up with new videos on the various strategies which are available in options for Indian market. So I am working on it, so you will be seeing them very soon. There will be a series of lessons actually. So let's start with market update for today. Let's see what has happened in the market today. Well, today was a very hell lot of a market, rather I will say. It was a very bearish market. It opened almost 100 point above yesterday's close. As you can see, this was yesterday's close. Just give me a moment. So this is yesterday's close, and you can see it has opened almost 110-20 points above yesterday's close, and just see the fall. It's like a ladder, tuck 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 tuck, finished. So today was a bearish day in the market, and what I think is this has happened because of mainly for two reasons. This is my personal view actually, I may go wrong. My first point was at around 10:30-11 news has come that China has again attacked India in the Ladakh, and we already knew that today the GDP data will be coming, and it has come. By the way, now it has come at 5:30 in the evening. I am recording this at 9:22 now, as you can see here, 21:22 the time. So the GDP data was, I mean, we were expecting of minus 18%, but it came minus 23% actually. So maybe market knew that, so it has reacted today only. Because of the GDP and the China India attack, maybe those were the reason, and moreover profit booking also. Rather, I can say that because we can see from last 8-9 days the market was just moving up in a straight direction. So many of things has mixed up today, and the market crashed today. If we see the moving average, which I was telling yesterday, that this will be playing a very important role tomorrow. So see, it has closed just below the moving average actually, the 11-day moving average. So tomorrow will be a very interesting day to see. The support which I have told for the week was around 11,100. I still stand with that. So let's see the option chain now. Well, in option chain, the highest open interest is still seen at 11,000 put, yes, and the second is at 11,300. And if we see the call side, the highest open interest yesterday it was at 12,000, and today also it's at 12,000, and there was an addition of almost 5,55,000 OI addition was done there. And if we see the second OI, highest OI is at 27, that is 11,800. So 11,800 to 12,000 till now, and in the put side it's at 11,000, and on 11,300 will be the range for the next 2 days, is what I see according to the options data. Now let's see the PCR value and the option pain where it is. So Nifty, the option pain yesterday, if I'm not mistaken, it was at 11,600. So let's see where it is now. Okay, the pain has changed actually. It has come to 11,500. Well, there is a shift of 100 point in max pain in the negative side. It's at 11,500, and let's see the put call ratio. The put call ratio has turned bearish today. It's at 0.71 now. So before going, let's see, let's try to find out the tomorrow's range for Nifty on the basis of IV and the range. Okay, the IV is for the day is 32. Okay, fine, let me take the IV is 32.08. So I have made an Excel sheet for that, 32.08. So at the end of one day, and the Nifty has closed at today at 11,387.50. 11, okay, the current price is 11,387.50. So tomorrow, okay, fine. So for tomorrow, I will say this is the range for the market for tomorrow. I'll just color them up for easy understanding for us. Yes, so on the upper side 11,578 and lower side 11,196 will be a very good range for the market tomorrow. So let's see where it goes, actually what happens, and I'm sure I can tell you, if these two ranges are broken on any of the side, no, there will be a very big move tomorrow also. We should get ready, and tomorrow we can expect a move, of around 190 to 200 points. This is based on the IV which I found out. So okay, before wrapping up, let us check the SGX Nifty and India VIX. So India VIX might have shoot up today. Let's see where it is. Yes, it was a great move in VIX. Actually, it's at 22. It has crossed 20 again, and it has closed at 22.83, which means the fear is slowly coming in the market. Actually, the fear has started to come. So let's see. It's just a single day move today, so by seeing today's move only, we can't predict anything in the market for tomorrow. So let's see what it has for us tomorrow. Also, we have to see whether the bear has come, or there is something else in it. So if we see the SGX Nifty now, okay, SGX Nifty is just mere 26 point below. Thank you, friends. Thank you very much for listening to me. Please subscribe and share it to your friends. Bye bye. Good night. We'll see you tomorrow again. Bye.